Hi, Jordan from Modular Solutions. Today we're going to talk about how to create a support bracket using our pivot joints. So in this example here, I've attached a pivot joint to both the top and bottom of this piece of extrusion. This will become our support bracket. So because of the small area that we have from the upright to the end of the leg, the angle that's created is much different than a 45. 45s are easy to cut on a standard miter saw, but some complex angles are a little harder to do. So, in order to accomplish this, I've attached the pivot joint to the leg using a square nut in the bottom piece of extrusion. I would then take this piece, find out where it needs to go, install a square nut, and then put a bolt into the square nut. We would then create the support that we need for this stand. Thank you very much for watching. For more building tips, please check out our YouTube channel.